artists took the center stage at 100 Live. Deep Joy, Styles, RDX, and so much more. We have the highlights.
It's a road and a road is here, man. You want it longer than the highway. And every piece part of the highway. Money no for half a way till Friday. I reach the side, everything is to my platform. Profile and do it, we are file at the street. Star lifestyle with the sky at my face. Profile and do it, we are file at the street. Be a hot girl in the party. I tell me that they want to be farming.
Young artists need stuff like this. Bands, that's the right way to go in music, because today you have a lot of artists can't really perform them songs live. So when you have stuff like this, I think artists should take them and, you know, take the experience and just learn from them.
Me say we born to the green. Me say we born to the green. Me say we born to the green. Me say we born to the greatest. Whoa, over there so we are greatest. Hey, alright, that's how we are greatest. Take it away.
Well, it was my first time performing at 100 Live, and the vibe was great. I love the feeling. I love how the people interact and me interact with the people. It was a good vibe overall. May I say 100% me give them some love it, yeah.
Trust them, that's why me no trust y'all, no trust men. Me don't even trust taxi, much less host them. We will run the war, reason with myself. So me now we are people, we no help. You see me down, people myself, because we don't see people in a lesson. We see it,
It was a great experience. The atmosphere was nice. Shelly and Kuran did a great job with 100 Live, and of course Appleton and a water sponsor. Big up themselves. I don't know the thing though. It's a privilege performing back home. First me I perform, I'm a yard. You know what I mean? So it's a great honor, great feeling. You know what I mean? Enough more work when you don't know the thing though. Disciples.
Me say when she said today, she said fuck my ball thing. And me say Kentucky door, what my today. No money, no tune, they are today. Still have a yard, but lunch can me want nookie today. Nah take no taxi today. Me have a rocky lobby, but I forget the nookie today. We are today. And the worry girls, them not talk to no claffy. Miserable but them who want to be happy. Them girls, them love man with pocket well stashy. No one none with me like Star Apple or Aki. Say the worry girls, them funny. When them want come link you for money. Your name change from Bigfoot, Big Dog and Dummy to Babes, Darling, Sweetie, Honey but much. Girls go far for them man, do half for them man, rock war for them man, leave them house, go run bar for them man, all 119 them call for them man.
Yo, Manala is an indelible vibes. You understand? I love the energy. The people them give me a great support, because the energy from me I go hard, so the people them give back the energy hard. You understand? So it's a great look.
And I know for me friend them, but they are to the same thing. They are priests who get gunshot. And I know if they me free my place. As further than they me to the rough track. To the end of the buckle of the seat of the victory. While we gone in a tough hunt. Who don't send them? I made
It was really great, and it was a first experience at a place like this, because I'm really from the Western, so it was really great and I love it, I swear.
We interviewed you a couple of years ago, but 2 years ago, in the 2 years you have grown. Tell us how you've grown in the 2 years.
Well, it's just dedication and hard work, and I was always a persistence artist, so I guess it's my authentic work then. So that's the only thing I could say.
Now it's time to lock in with Kevin J for this week's entertainment news.
Inside this week's E-News, dancehall artist Lali Ranks, who has been making waves with his hit single What's on Sale, is about to gain some momentum on the international scene. This as What's on Sale is to be used by the promoters of the Notting Hill Carnival in the UK in its promotions leading up to the event. Lali's latest single, Jackie Chan, produced by Friends for Real, was released on July 6. He is one of the rising stars out of the West, and dancehall artist TJ is riding high with the hit single Up Top. He's also booked for Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay, and he told us what we can expect from him at the festival, as well as some new music on the way.
So what can we expect from TJ on Reggae Sumfest this year?
Everything. Can't really talk right now about it because I'm not a person who like to plan. We just like to just do it from the art right so I can't really tell about Reggae Sumfest, but I go shellings like gas station, man. Yeah, man, up top.
California reggae band Revolution continues to reign at the #1 spot on the Billboard Reggae album chart with their 7th studio album Free Reign. After 4 weeks of release, the album has to date sold over 11,000 copies in the US. In this week's new release, Alkaline has finally dropped the video for his chart hit Perfect. The song was produced by DJ Frass. Here's a snippet of Alkaline's video for Perfect.
Cock it up, you have nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Inna your ears and me, I tell you all the things that you want. You want. I'll start you want to say, yeah.
And those were the stories making our E-News for this week. I am Kevin J.
When we get back, it's all about the Caribbean video, Veronica Campbell-Brown and the Magnum Top 10. We'll be back in just a moment.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Savor the island flavor at Patio Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Enjoy finger-licking Caribbean cuisine, culinary demonstrations, cultural performances, a kids zone, tons of giveaways, something for everyone. Performances by Elephant Man,
One the river, one the bank.
Good Celebrity,
You are walking trophy. You are walking.
Lust, West African sensation, Pato Ranking, New Kingston, Brata Folk Singers, and more. It's a celebration of food, music, and fun. The Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd, Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Noon to 8 p.m. Buy tickets online at jerkfestivalny.com. Sponsored by Tower Isle Parties, La Park and Shipping, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and VP Records.